when you get your boot on, and you may have the 3-layered wedge in the back that makes it even higher. When you're walking, you can throw your knee out or your hip out or your back. In a sense, they'll get sore because this is so much lower. This was recommended. It's a product called EvenUp. Put your foot in here. Little rubbers on the front and on the back. Then pull this strap around. And that evens you up a bit. You can see it adds about, I'd say maybe 2 inches to the bottom of that. It stays on really well. These are 10.5 shoes. I bought size 11, the EvenUp. I think the 10, I don't know if they come in whole size out, but anything smaller would have been too small. So they do a good job. And if you have the wedges, as you take a wedge out, you can take a layer of this out. You can take 2 layers till you get down to the green bottom only. If you take this off, it just pulls right off. You can pull these rubber holders back, take a layer out. And they're Velcro together. Now you have a thinner one. And then you can take the second one out and just have this little green thing, which doesn't do too much. But they really helped me. I started walking with a bit of a limp because of the height difference, and my hip was a little sore. And these did a good job helping me even up. EvenUp. Good product.